15 Most Beautiful Birds in the World Part 1. Let's kick off with 3 jaw-dropping birds that look like they came from a fairy tale. First, the resplendent quetzal. With emerald green feathers and a flowing tail, this Central American beauty was once worshipped by the Mayans. Next, the rainbow lorikeet, a living rainbow. Found in Australia, it has 7 bright colors and a brush-tipped tongue for drinking nectar. And finally, the Indian peafowl, also known as the peacock. Known for its hypnotic tail fan of over 200 feathers, it performs a famous courtship dance during the monsoon season. Which of these is your favorite? Like, share and subscribe for Part 2. Credits Wild Sphere Adventures.